If you've seen my previous video where I painted this awesome contour lined graphic on the bonnet of Ragnar, our Volvo XC70, I had a comment from one of the followers that said, all you need to finish this off is a location pin. So I've had a location pin made, and now I need to decide where I'm going to stick this on the bonnet. It could go anywhere, but I think I'm going to put it here because there's a little bit of a oopsie there, so I think I'm going to fit it right there. So I'll get some double-sided tape that's a little bit thicker than the ones that have been provided by the guy that made this, Ben Charrington. And shout out to Ben, because he's made a couple of badges for me and he can do them for you. You can find him on Facebook as Dub Design Works. Anyway, I had these made specifically for me in the Swedish colors, and I think that'll look pretty cool right there. If I could just get it to stay in place so I can show you. Somewhere. Ah, there you go. Where are you? I'm nowhere bound. No snow, but ready to go.